There it is. The Alabama chicken with spicy mayo. Smoky barbecue mayo, I think it is. Yeah, smoky barbecue mayo. There it is. Show you what's inside. Didn't get any lettuce this time, so as we all know, I'm not a massive lettuce fan. We have the cheese on there. We have bacon, 2 chicken selects, and some smoky barbecue mayo. I also bought today the nacho wedges, chips, and a couple of drinks. So being a fatty today, guys. Let's go for the old taste test. Tried it the other day with all the lettuce and the extra barbecue. It didn't go down pretty well for me. Just get my drink in it, guys. I didn't really enjoy it as much, but I think without the lettuce it's nicer, it's a better crunch. A bit like the old the Jamaican one that they bought out, Jamaican jerk chicken. Got myself an original Coke today, which is always nice. You can't fault them. And like I said, you seen that video last night, guys. I was highly drunk last night. Me and Darren was having a good drink. Over in my area, a place called Mamie. For you guys who are not local, sorry guys, I just did a video today. I said I'm on my bed at the moment, so I'm not in a normal place. Beautiful. Right. Take that of me off. It was. Oh. Myself a wrap too, snap wrap. Except picking out today, guys. I had a drink last night. Picking out today. So here we go. Nacho cheese wedges from McDonald's. There they are. They had them before. Had them out before, and they had. I think when they brought the big taste shit originally. I also got spicy chicken wrap. I'm not going to review that though, because this is the point, the reason why I'm reviewing it. It's for the burger. Natural cheese wedges are just amazing. Beautiful. We said the other day the chips were soft. I think we said on Wednesday. They're better. They're better this time. Obviously, if I had this straight from McDonald's, they'd probably be fresher. But that's by the by. Sporting my Braun Strowman top today. Right, on to the old, pardon me, he said, on to the old rating. So, rating, what should we have? The flavour of that Alabama chicken's really nice. I think it's better than the New York stack, and I never thought I'd say that in a million years. Honestly, I thought that it would be better, the New York stack would be better because it's beef. Of course it's going to be better, but the Alabama chicken is better. It's got that spice taste to it. Spicy barbecue mayo, always nice. So, for flavour, I think we're going to give it a 7 out of 10. And for value this time, I don't know. You really don't know. Because it's a tough one. Because they are quite expensive, these burgers. They're much more expensive than your usual, double burger, or you know, your bacon and cheese burger or something, or whatever, your Big Macs. It's going to have a 6 for me because but the value's, like, you know, like I said, it's quite expensive. Overall score today, we're going to give the McDonald's Alabama Chicken Burger a 7 out of 10. It's our highest so far. Obviously, we've only had 2 burger reviews so far. I might tomorrow do another burger review. I might venture out to Burger King. Or I might just go over the shop and buy a pack of crisps and review them. So don't quote me on that though, but this is the 3rd video this week on this channel. So I'm spoiling you a bit, guys. I will still be doing videos on my EAW Wrestling channel, but obviously it's more of a hobby for me. This one, I'm enjoying doing both channels at the moment. So see how it goes. See how you guys like this video. Just remember to like, share, and do subscribe to the Newport City Nightmare channel. And guys, we will see you very soon for another burger review. See you soon. Peace out.